This is Dave. 3 months ago. Dave had $47 in his bank account. No job. And a business degree that hadn't gotten him a single interview. Today, Dave runs a one-person agency. That made $11,400 last month. He didn't learn to code. He didn't have savings. Dave had applied to 63 jobs in 2 months. 63. Marketing coordinator, social media assistant, customer support, didn't matter. Either no response, or the same rejection template. He wasn't lazy. He just didn't have experience, and nobody would give him the first job that would give him experience. Classic trap. One night, broke and frustrated, Dave did what a lot of us do at 1 a.m., he opened ChatGPT, not to build a business, just to vent. He typed, "I have no money and no skills. What can I actually do to make money using AI, right now, with zero budget?" He wasn't expecting much. But the answer he got back was the first domino. Here's what most people get wrong about using ChatGPT to make money. They think the tool itself is the business. It's not. ChatGPT can't run a business for you. What it can do is remove the two biggest barriers that stop broke, unskilled people from starting one: knowledge and speed. ChatGPT told Dave something simple: businesses everywhere, local gyms, dentists, real estate agents, online stores, are drowning in tasks they hate. Writing social media captions. Answering the same customer questions over and over. Following up with leads who never reply. They don't need a genius. They need someone to hand that busywork to, and they'll pay for it. So Dave asked a smarter follow-up question, and this is the prompt you actually want. Pause the video and write this down. Act as a business consultant. Give me 5 simple services I can sell to small local businesses using only ChatGPT, that require no design skills, no coding, and can be delivered in under 2 hours per client per week. ChatGPT gave him 5 real answers. Dave picked the easiest one on the list. Writing a month of social media captions for local businesses. Not glamorous. Not exciting. But it required 0 skills he didn't already have. And it was something he could prove worked. In one afternoon. Reinforce that simple services can become paid offers. Dave didn't build a website. He didn't make a logo. He walked into 5 local businesses near his apartment. A bakery, a barber shop, a dog groomer, a small gym, and a nail salon. And offered the same thing to each one. I'll write and schedule a month of your social media posts. If you don't like them, you don't pay. 4 said no. 1, the bakery, said, "Fine, show me." That night, Dave went back to ChatGPT and used this prompt. Write 20 Instagram captions for a small independent bakery. Make them warm, local, and conversational. Include a mix of new item announcements, behind-the-scenes moments, and customer appreciation posts. Add 3 relevant hashtags to each. 20 captions in 12 minutes. He cleaned them up. Added the bakery's actual product names. And sent them over. The owner posted them. Foot traffic that week went up. She paid him $150 for the month. His first dollar from the business. Now here's the part everybody skips when they tell this story: $150 isn't the win. The win is what Dave did next. He asked her for one thing that most beginners are too scared to ask for: a testimonial and a referral. With one testimonial in hand, Dave stopped cold walking into random shops. And started doing something smarter. He used ChatGPT to write a short, simple outreach message. And sent it to 30 small businesses in his city. The same type of business as his happy client, because referrals and similar niche outreach convert far better than random cold pitches. The prompt. Write a short, friendly outreach message I can send to local business owners on Instagram or via email, offering social media content services. Mention I already work with, bakery name, and can share results. Keep it under 60 words, no corporate tone. Out of 30 messages, 6 replied. Out of 6 replies, 3 became paying clients at $150 to $250 a month each. This is the part of the story that matters most if you're actually trying to build something real. Dave didn't scale by working harder. He scaled by building a system. He created ChatGPT prompt templates for every part of the job. Captions, content calendars, hashtag research, even client emails. So a task that used to take him an hour took him 15 minutes. That efficiency is what let him take on client number 4, 5, 6. Without burning out. By month 2, Dave had 8 clients at an average of $200 a month. That's $1,600. Already more than most part-time jobs. Working maybe 10 hours a week. But Dave wanted more. So he did the thing almost nobody in this niche does. He leveled up the service, not just the client count. Here's the upgrade that took Dave from a side hustler to an actual agency owner. He noticed his clients kept asking the same follow-up question. Can you also help with our website's contact form? People message us and we forget to reply. So Dave went back to ChatGPT with a new kind of prompt. One that turned him from a content writer into an automation provider. Explain, step by step, how a non-technical person can build a simple FAQ chatbot for a small business website using free or low-cost no-code tools. Assume zero coding experience. ChatGPT walked him through it, using simple no-code chatbot builders that plug into a website with copy-paste code, no programming required. Dave built his first chatbot for the bakery, for free, as a bonus. It answered basic questions like store hours and menu items automatically. It was such an obvious win that within 2 weeks, 4 of his existing clients paid an extra $100 a month just for that one feature. This is the real lesson buried in Dave's story. The money isn't in knowing ChatGPT. The money is in stacking small, boring services that save business owners time. Content. Chatbots. Review responses. Email follow-ups. None of it is impressive on its own. Together, it's a real agency. By month 5, Dave had 14 clients. Content packages, chatbot setups, and monthly retainers combined. Total revenue, $10,400. His actual costs? A $20 a month ChatGPT subscription and a free chatbot tool. That's it. Now, before you close this tab thinking this only works for lucky people, let's break down exactly why it worked, so you can actually do it. Number 1, Dave didn't pick an idea because it was exciting. He picked the easiest service to prove value fast. Content writing needs no technical skill. Number 2, he asked for one testimonial before asking for one more client. Social proof is what got his next 3 clients, not cold outreach alone. Number 3, he built a system, reusable prompts, instead of starting from scratch every single time. That's what let him scale past client number 5 without quitting from burnout. And number 4, the biggest one, he upgraded his service based on what clients were already asking for, instead of guessing what to sell next. If you want to try this yourself, here's your starting homework. Pick one type of local business you already have a connection to, a gym you go to, a shop near your house. And open ChatGPT right now and paste this. Write 10 social media captions for type of business. Make them warm, specific, and non-generic. Include hashtags. Show it to the business owner for free. That's it. That's the whole first step. Dave didn't have money, didn't have skills, and didn't have connections. What he had was one prompt and the willingness to actually show up to 5 businesses on foot. That's a lower bar than most people think. Which means it's a bar you can clear too. If this story was useful, subscribe.